Good morning, scholars. We are going to do maths together. Yes? And we have already completed the textbook session. Let's see what's there in the workbook.
As we usually do, children, after completing the textbook, we have the workbook wherein we will together solve only some questions. The rest of the questions you have to solve by your own. And you will wait for the solution. It will be provided to you within some 2-3 days. Okay, then you have to check with the solution. Likewise, I am going to revise the chapter also. Fine. So let's start. You have to open your workbook to page number 32 wherein you have worksheet number 1 and it has multiple choice question, or you can say filling the blanks type of questions. Okay, I have taken the third example. I find it tricky, so I have taken that. The smallest multiple of 3 is. Now this filling the blanks is based on the facts about the multiple wherein कि सबसे छोटा मल्टीपल ऑफ एनी नंबर इज द नंबर इटसेल्फ. ओके, सो 3 है यहाँ पे, सो यहाँ द नंबर इटसेल्फ विल बी 3 ओनली, बिकॉज मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 मीन्स क्या? मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ 3 मीन्स टेबल ऑफ 3. सो टेबल ऑफ 3 में सबसे छोटा मल्टीपल क्या है? 3 ही होगा, द नंबर इटसेल्फ. यस, सी, write the table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Likewise, if you write, because the multiple goes to the mountains. Yes, so the smallest multiple is 3 here. Fine. Now the next I have taken the fifth one. The greatest multiple of a number is smallest, तो वो खुद ही है, और greatest क्या है? Greatest क्या होगा? सोचो सोचो. Greatest cannot be found. Yes, because you have endless multiple, countless, okay, unlimited. So this is the option you have to write. And the last or the next example, I have taken the sum 7, seventh filling the blank. Every number is a multiple of what? See, हर एक नंबर किसका मल्टीपल होगा? किसका मल्टीपल होगा? मेरे हिसाब से तो 1 का मल्टीपल होगा, बिकॉज 1 के टेबल में सारे नंबर्स आते हैं. सी, 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 hundreds are 100, 1 thousands are 1000, 1 lakhs का lakhs. यस, सो सारे मल्टीपल्स आए 1 के टेबल में. सो एवरी नंबर, कोई भी नंबर ले लो, इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 1. यस, दिस इज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम द फैक्ट्स ऑफ द मल्टीपल. फाइन. नाउ आई हैव the other example, that is from the worksheet number 4. Turn your pages to worksheet number 4, that is page number 35, wherein you have you have the mental maths question, that is the fourth one. The first multiple of every number is 1. Now see, every number is a multiple of 1. Okay, now the first multiple of every number is 1. सभी नंबर का फर्स्ट मल्टीपल 1 होगा क्या? नहीं, बिकॉज सी, एवरी नंबर, जैसे कि लेट्स टेक 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3. नाउ एवरी नंबर 1, 2 and 3 इज द एवरी नंबर. एवरी नंबर का फर्स्ट मल्टीपल 1 होगा क्या? 1, 2 and 3, that is different. Yes, 1 is not, it will be different. So my answer will be false. Okay, it will be the first multiple of 1 will be 1, the first multiple of 2 will be 2, the first multiple of 3 will be 3. so सारे numbers का तो 1 नहीं होगा, so the statement is false. Okay, now moving on to the page number 34 wherein you have worksheet number 3. Fine. It says that find 2 common multiples of 6 and 8 वाला एग्जाम्पल लिया है मैम ने. सो कॉमन मल्टीपल्स कैसे निकालते हैं? पहले मल्टीपल निकालो, देन कॉमन मल्टीपल्स निकालो. सो वी विल हैव मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 6, दैट इज मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ 6, दैट इज टेबल ऑफ 6. यस, So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54 and 60. This is the table of 6. Okay. Now we will have table of 8, that is multiples of 8. It's 8 students, it's not 18. Okay. So 8 ka, okay, so I have done a mistake here. 6 and 18 का multiple निकालना है. Okay, so we will have 18 का table wherein it is 18, 36, 54, 72, 90, 108, 126, 144, 162 and 180. So this is the table of 18 and you have to find now the common multiple. Okay. Now, which are the common things? 36 I can see. Yes, I can see 18. 18 to bhul gaye pehle. So 18 will be there and then 36 will be there. Okay, and then 90, 54. Okay, now we don't have. Okay, so it is 2. वैसे भी 2 common multiple ढूंढने. So we will have our final 54 is there. Yes, so 54. Okay, now 2 common multiples ढूंढने, but we found out 3 common multiples. So we will write 3 also. It's okay. More, if you have more answers, it's okay. So common multiple of 6 and 18 are 18, 36 and 54. Okay. Now moving on to the next page, that is page number 35, worksheet number 4. Mental maths ke question we will solve. Okay. The first one is in the number 317 and then the ones का digit is blank. Ones के place में कोई number नहीं लिखे हैं. In this number, what digit can be written in the ones place to make it divisible by 2? Tricky question. Yes. This is also related to the factors. And yes, 2 is the only even prime number. I know that is going on in your mind. So with that we have that any number which is ending up with the even numbers, that is 0 or 2, 4, 6 or 8 are divisible by 2. So I can have the options. Okay, only 2 or 0. खाली 2 और 0 होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे खाली 2 या 0 होना चाहिए. नहीं, 6 भी हो सकता है, 8 भी हो सकता है, 4 भी हो सकता है. So A is not the right answer. Only 0, that is also not the right answer. Any even number or 0. Yes, so any even number or 0, I think it is the right option, but we will check the next option also. Okay, हो सकता है we are making a mistake. Okay, so let's check a number which makes the sum of the digits divisible by 2. Means ऐसा number जो जिसका sum divisible by 2 होगा, that number we will have here. No, I think the C option is right. Any even number or 0. Fine. Now moving on to the third example. If 12 multiplied by 6 is 72, then 72 is a multiple of both 12 and 6. Yes, obviously. This is also the fun facts about the multiple. 72 is the product and the product is the multiple and the multiple is of both the numbers. That is what I explained you. Okay, ये जो 72 है ये 6 के टेबल में भी आएगा, 12 के टेबल में भी आएगा, because 12 6 are 72, 6 12 are 72. So my statement will be true. Fine. Now moving on to the sixth question, that is the first multiple of any number. First multiple, हाँ, पहला multiple किसी भी number का will never be common multiple between the numbers. अब common multiples तो पता है ना, common multiples of two numbers. So what is it saying? The first multiple of any number will never, never is the key here, कभी भी will never be the common multiple between the two numbers. Yes, I think it is true, because now see, if you find the common multiple of two and I can say 4, you will not have the first multiple as a common multiple because 2 का first multiple 2 होगा, 4 का first multiple 4 होगा, so common तो नहीं होगा. The first number cannot be common because 2 का कोई दूसरा 2 नहीं है. 2 is there, the only one and only one 2 is there, so first multiple will not be common. Okay, now we will have spot the error, which is in the multiplication fact 16 multiplied by 9 is 144. Okay, so 16 9s are 144 होता है. So then it says 16 and 9 are multiples of 144. 144 का multiple कौन, sorry 16 and 9 are multiples of ये number. So 16 and 9 are multiples of 144? No, 16 and 9 are factors of 144 and 144 is a multiple. 144 multiple है 16 का और 9 का, जबकि 16 and 9 factors है 144 के. Are you getting? Yes, see 144 is the multiple of 16 and 9 and 16 and 9 are the factors of 144. Either of the answer is correct. You have to spot the error and rectify it. Rectify मतलब correct करना है. Now see, I have purposely taken this B section because this B section is related to the third part here. Now you can see, no, wherein 72 is a multiple of both the numbers and we have written the statement as true. जो product होता है ना वो multiple है और जो दो numbers है ना वो factors है. Okay, so with this we have come to the page, we have to come to the page number 33 wherein you have worksheet number 2. Okay, and you have to have the multiples of various number. वो table दिख रहा है आपको, 1, that is worksheet 2 में the first part. You have to find the multiples of various number, the multiple of 10, the multiple of 30, multiple of 15. Okay, और कौन से multiple ढूंढने हैं? The first multiple, the fifth multiple, the second multiple and the 8th multiple. Okay, so we have this like this. The whole table I have not done, only 2-3 sums I am doing. Okay, the first part A, 10th का multiple ढूंढना है. The first multiple of 10 is 10. The second multiple of 10 is 20. The fifth multiple of 10 is 50. The 8th multiple of 10 is 80. 8th multiple मतलब 10 8s are 80. 5th multiple मतलब 10 5s are 50. Likewise you have to write. Okay, now let's take the other example, that is E section. I have taken 13. So the 13 ones are 13, 13 2s are 26, 13 5s are 65 and 13 8s are 104. Or I can say the 8th multiple of 13 is 104. Fine, the rest of the thing you have to do by your own, and I know you are my intelligent students and you are not going to make any mistakes. Okay, so kids, with this we come to the end of the chapter from the workbook also, and we have completed our chapter number 6. From the next video we will start a new chapter.